Hi, today I'm going to be showing you how to make this really good and cool looking K'NEX blade or knife or whatever you want to call it. So you can make it so that it curves. You can make it so that it's just straight. You can make it so it bends forward, whatever your choice is. But I just like to keep it straight. So let's get into making it. So you can just get your pieces real quick, but I'll just tell you the pieces. So these are the largest size rod, and to means that they're not connectors like connections here. They're just long rods. So two of the largest rods, one of these connections right here are connectors. Two of these connectors, wait, one of these and one of these connectors, and then the smallest size rod right there. So you can just build it real quick. So now I've got the handle right here. So it is this. You gotta attach 6, 6, and leave 2 in the middle. And then get another one of them and do it on the bottom as well. So now you have this open gap in the middle with 6 on, with 3 on each side. And then to connect it, you're gonna get the one side of it. Doesn't really matter what side, but I normally go with the longest side first. So you're gonna attach it on right here. See, on right here, the 2 spaces. You're gonna add one side right here. Just slide it down a bit, and then add it onto the other side. So you see like this. But you see, so there's this extra space right here. So you're going to want to push this all the way up. And then you're going to want to push that almost all the way up. Not fully. So that looks like this now. With this extra right here. And there you have it. Your K'NEX blade. Or knife. Or mini sword. Or throwing knife. Whatever. But that's it. Bye.